When rolling out new systems, do you provide just a basic change management program when the system first goes live, only to struggle with low or no user adoption after? And as a result, is your system not delivering the value you need, and is it considered a failure by management and others in your organization? In this quick tip, I'll share with you a suggestion for adjusting your approach to dramatically improve user adoption and success with your systems. Hi, I'm Jason Whitehead, CEO of Tritons. And at Tritons, we are all about helping people and organizations better adopt technology in order to create great work-life experiences that increase success for themselves and others. And I just want to share a quick tip for how you can get more set value and more success from your IT systems. And the tip is, implement a user adoption program, not a change management program. Many organizations deliver change management that focuses on providing communication and training at the time of go live, but they do very little to drive and sustain adoption and use over the long term. Your user adoption strategy should include plans for how you will ensure effective system use 1, 3, and 5 years in the future. A lot of things will change after your system goes live. New people come into your organization, there are changes within your organization, external changes in your environment, and many others. And you need to proactively manage all of these items to get people to use your system and to keep them using it year over year. So instead of a change management program, you need an ongoing adoption program that keeps adoption high over the life of the system. Many organizations make the mistake of delivering change management and then they just hope they'll get full adoption. And as we all know, hope is not a strategy. For more information about this, check out our 4-part video series on accelerating software adoption, where I walk you through the reasons for this and what you can do about it. And I'd love to know if you only implement a basic change management effort, or if you have a full user adoption program when implementing new IT systems. So please share your experiences and recommendations in the comments below. And if you found this tip helpful, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll get notified about future videos. Thanks so much. Bye now.